It's super duper effective on my baby. How to cure hiccups in super duper fast way. This is an actual video of Michael having hiccups, and it disappears just instantly, as in just like magic. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. Michael is having hiccups. Oh. So the advice of my intern and what my husband is doing is to have one drop of lemon, a few drops. Okay, and then a little sugar. I will put more. So, wait. And then I'm going to give it. It's very effective on him. It's like magic. The hiccups will go away. Ready? Get set. Go. Say It's like magic. That's what I learned here in Italy. Yay! Put thread on the forehead of the child to get rid of his. So that is a superstitious video. I don't know if it's working, but we're doing it anyways. But now, goodbye thread. This is applicable for everybody, not only for people with kids, with infants or babies, but for everybody, because everybody have hiccups once or a lot of times in our lives.